Hello and welcome back. So I discovered this hack like just some months ago and it has really helped me tremendously. I'll be very happy to share this with you guys. And this is you adding some salt in your laundry anytime you want to do laundry. What does this do for you? It helps your colored clothes or your bright clothes to remain brighter. We all know that there are some kind of clothes, some colors that we want, and once you prop it in the laundry, it kind of like fades or kind of like washes away. What salt does for you, especially sea salt, is that it helps to like retain the color of those clothing, so you don't have to worry about it fading or like losing its color. So like I said, just grab some salt. The one I usually use is this sea salt, but even if you don't have sea salt, even if it's just the normal table salt, the one that contains the iodine, it's very okay. Just take a teaspoon of this salt and with your washing powder pour it into your washing machine, or even if you're like doing laundry with your hands, just pour a little bit into the tub where you're using to wash. It helps to retain your colors over time. It doesn't fade and it doesn't like get frizzy or get damaged in the process. So like I said, this is a very good hack that I discovered. Putting salt in your laundry is definitely going to help you to retain your colors for longer. So don't keep this to yourself. Kindly share this video, kindly follow me at the Tutti and please subscribe if you've not subscribed. I'll see you in other videos. Do stay beautiful. Bye.